Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is how to fix your tech. Now today I'm back with another video. Now today I decided to do a video on how to install and use OBS Studio. Now instead of just showing you how to install it and download and install it, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Before we start, I'd like to say, don't worry, these screen recorded videos will stop at a point. Now, I'm not talking about like stopping forever, but there will be some proper videos with the GoPro and stuff. I actually have got something pretty cool planned. Hopefully it'll work. I haven't done one of these for a while, but it might just work okay. And the second thing is, if you haven't already heard, the last video I mentioned about my new YouTube channel, Dillmore42 Music's just my other channel for music stuff. It's not very popular yet, but I have uploaded a video, and it's going significantly better than the actual subscribers I've got. But until then, let's roll the intro. Alrighty guys, so the first thing you need to do is go into your browser. Now I'm going to choose Firefox like normal. Now, the second thing you have to do is then go up to here and search up OBS Studio. Once that's loaded, go on to the obsproject.com. It should have OBS Studio. Just bypass all these ads. Alright, so if you're on Linux, you can choose that. If you're on Mac OS, you can choose that. But I'm on Windows, so I'd recommend using this video only if you're on Windows, because I'm not specifically using Linux or Mac. So, we'll click Windows. And everyone, if you want any Linux content, I have got a Linux VirtualBox on Linux Mint, so if you really want it, go ahead and tell me. Doesn't matter, I am interested to know. Alright everyone, so once it's finished, click on it to click and then to open file. Alright, then click yes to the user account control. As long as it's got the verified publisher, Hugh Bailey, it says OBS Studio, you can click yes. Alright, then you can click next, install. Pretty crazy how they can still let off OBS Studio for free. It's like you've got all your paid ones, but everyone, even all the professional people, use OBS and it's free. Hopefully some people are contributing, but well. Then you click finish. You can close out your browser while you're at it. Alright, so this is where you get to choose if you want to optimize for streaming and recording a secondary, or the other way. Now I won't be optimizing for recording, so I'm going to go, optimizing for streaming, so I'm going to go optimize for recording. I won't be streaming. Then you can click next to whatever you do. Now you can choose your resolution, so if your monitor is more than 1080p, you can click on whatever is here. Now I'm going to do 1080p, obviously, because it is. Now, this is where I would choose either 60 or 30 for 60 when possible. But you can also prefer higher resolution, but you're not going to get much higher than what it already is, so I'm going to choose this. Now, what you want to do is click next. should test the recording encoder and all of its stuff onto the different resolutions. Alright, then you click apply settings. Alright, now this is the bit where we're setting up, so we'll just full screen that. Now, first example is it's already got the audio, but what we can do is down the bottom in sources, you can click the plus. Now this is where you want to click audio input capture. Now you want to change it to what it is, so create new because it doesn't exist yet. Then you want to go from default to what your microphone actually is, and you can click OK. Now, what you want to do is you want to go into plus again, click on display capture. This is like vital, you definitely need it. Then you can click create new. I'm only doing the essentials here, or the most of the essentials. You can do other things. Then you can go here and click OK. Keep this at 1080p. Keep it at automatic, and you probably want to capture cursor, but that's your choice. Then click OK. Now it should be capturing a screen. Now this third one is optional. Now I use Droid Cam as I don't have a webcam. Okay, so this is going to be a voiceover as it didn't work last time. But all you have to do is go down to sources, then click the plus, and then go up to this video capture device. Then all you have to do is select create new. Then all you have to do is make sure your settings are all good. As you can see, it's not the same on there, but it is a voiceover. Click OK. There we go. Now you can adjust it and move it around, because you know you might want it a bit smaller. You can crop it like that. But there we go. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.